and welcome back to my channel. We're on ornament number 3 of our Classic Stitchy Sew-Along. So hopefully you are joining in on this year's sew-along. It's going to be so much fun. We are stitching one ornament every other day. We're going to be done in plenty of time to decorate for Christmas. And as you can see, I have a fun little tree going where I'm adding my ornaments. If you haven't seen the pattern yet, these are the Classic Stitchy Ornaments. These are available in my shop in PDF and paper format. And there are 12 different stitch patterns that are all inspired by classic quilt blocks. And they sort of, for the most part, match my quilty ornaments as well. So that sew-along is going on at the same time. I'm sure you're seeing all of these videos, so I feel like I'm repeating myself, but hopefully you're having a lot of fun and joining in on the stitchy or the quilty or both. So let's go ahead and review yesterday's ornament. Yesterday's day 2 ornament is this classic block. This is called the churn dash block, and then I threw a little pinwheel in there on the center. And then here is the backing for that one. And today's ornament is what is called an Ohio Star quilt block. And these quilt blocks are really fun to make, and you actually make these sections. These are called quarter square triangles if you're new to quilting. You make those sections, you kind of make 2 at a time, and so they're really fast and easy to put together and such a fun block as well. Here's the back of this one as well. I think I used 2 different prints, so some are going to be this one and some will be a red one that you will see as well. Now, one thing that you can do on these, and I also highlighted this on my quilt blocks when I'm showing them, is that have fun with the colors. I know I did it like this, and if you like it like this, that's awesome, but you can also have fun with it and totally change the look of each of these stitch pieces just by changing out your floss colors. So even if you wanted to stick with the red and white theme, imagine if you alternated the white and the red. So instead of having the white in this background area, your background area would be red, and then your little star points and your center would be white. And I think that would also be a really cute ornament. It would totally change the look of it. And especially if you wanted to, say, have 24 of these because you're a fast stitcher, maybe make one that's this color and then make one that's the inverse of it. There'll be 2 totally different looking blocks, and you're going to get double your money for the pattern. So you'll have 24 when you're done instead of 12. So that's a really fun idea. And then I do, of course, want to show you the quilty version of that. Here's our Ohio Star here. And again, you could even do the same thing here and do your white, just swap out your red and white fabric so they're inverse to what they are on the block that I made. So anyways, super cute, the Ohio Star block, lots of fun to put together. Definitely a traditional quilt block. Don't forget to share your in progress or finished pieces on social media. You can tag me at Erica Arndt, or you can use the hashtag Classic Stitchy Ornaments. I will make sure to re-tag your stuff so that everyone can see, and then leave a comment below letting me know what color scheme you decided to use. So did you go with what I did, or did you pick something totally different? And if you have any tips on finishing them, I did these cute little pillows this year. Last year we finished them on little round 3-inch embroidery hoops. Those will also fit these ornaments if you like that look. So you guys are way more creative on finishing these than I am, so I would love to hear what you're doing. So make sure to leave a comment below. So that's going to be it for today's ornament. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video for ornament number 4.